Hi everyone, today is February 26, 2026. This is John from China. I'm very happy to show you around our workshop. Today I want to show you around our crawler mobile crusher. This is a 210 per hour mobile crawler cutting plant. Behind me is the mobile jaw crusher. From here you can see the very strong hydraulic drive crawler system like the tank or the excavator driving system, and over there is the hydraulic jaw crusher. We can also call it the European type jaw crusher. It is a modular design, and with the hydraulic system, it is very easy to modify the discharging size, and it has a higher crushing efficiency and lower more function. Over there is a small hopper and a webbing feeder. This is a soil dust bed conveyor. And this one is a Deutsch brand diesel generator. And this is the electric control panel. So this one can working at a very rough working conditions. There is no need to supply for the power. And because this one has a diesel engine, it can supply the power, and also it can be easily transferred to different working site by the self-driving system.